Hey guys, and welcome to the video. I'm just touching base. Over probably more than a month ago, the Red Devil developed a slow leak in her radiator. What we discovered was there's a bracket that mounts onto the radiator here that these bolts mount to, obviously for the indicator and the radiator cowl. So just down in here there was just like a slight leak, and I discovered that because when I was riding, it wouldn't leak when it was parked, but while I was riding it would just spray coolant all over the engine, on my left leg and stuff like that. So I got it repaired. I spent about 2 to 3 weeks without the bike, maybe a bit longer. I only just picked this up on Saturday. We're Wednesday here today, so I picked it up on Saturday, but I still had a couple of work shifts to do, so I couldn't really, and the weather was terrible, so I couldn't really take it for a test ride. So that's what I'm going to do today, and I thought I'll just give you a heads up and take the camera along and see how it goes. I'll give it one of my proper test rides and just see how it holds up, see if there's still any leaks or any problems, and if not, go from there. So yeah, I'm not sure how long this video will be. I'm not sure what I'll record and what I won't, but we'll check back in at the end of the video and see how it held up, if it held up, or if there's any more problems with it, and obviously we'll have to go from there. I just wanted to get it all sorted before the Moto meetup, which will be at Grey Gum Cafe on the 4th of December, which I'll be there, weather permitting. So yeah, I needed this thing to be 100% because it is the only bike I have. So we'll give this a test run and we'll see how we go with it anyway, and we'll go from there. Oh, by the way, I will put all the information and links in the description below about that event on the 4th of December at Grey Gum Cafe. So yeah, if you are free and you're in the local area or want to come out for a ride and say hello, there'll be a lot of us other moto content creators out there. It won't be just me. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. Obviously the neighbour's dog suffers from separation anxiety. They're just howling. Alright, well, I'll whack the helmet on, whack the camera on, and see how the Devil's cooling system holds up. See ya. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm back. I've just pulled up. I've probably been out riding for about 30 to 40 minutes, a mix of just urban suburban roads and freeway, and you'll probably see that because I would have shown it by now. I don't know exactly how much I'm going to show, but having a closer look at it, this is the side with the problem. Yeah, it looks like there's nothing there because I gave this a full detail on Monday when I when I was rostered from work. So I picked the bike up on Saturday, but I still had to work, as you probably already mentioned. Yeah, so Monday was pretty much spent giving it a full detail, because this thing sat out for a few weeks, so it was just covered in dust and dirt and rain and sun and whatnot, so it needed a good clean. So I did that on Monday. So you see, just go around to the other side, which shouldn't be a problem. No, and you can see the engine is clean in spray, or doesn't seem to be any leaks as best as I could see. I don't know if that's going to make a difference once it cools down. There's a hose in amongst there. Careful, that's hot. Yeah, so it doesn't look too bad. So I think we've nabbed the problem with a full radiator recondition, and I guess, you know, if it continues to happen, I need a new radiator, or so be it. You probably know, if you follow my channel, this bike's about, it's just 10.5-year-old. I've had it since brand new. It's got 80,000 Ks. That is the original radiator. So it's just one of those things. It's just wear and tear, like any sort of machine, anything mechanical. I look after this the best I can. Still looks in pretty good nick. It does have a few battle scars, but like I said, it's got 80,000 Ks, and I do ride this thing. This was my commuter. I rode it for years when I went to work, rain, hail or shine, day and night. So it has been used, it has been ridden. There's just something about it just tickles my funny bone. Now, I still love riding this thing to death. As I said at the start of the video, I will be at the Moto Content Creators Meet at Grey Gum Cafe on the 4th of December. I do plan on being there, weather permitting, and obviously if things go ahead. If you want to come along, there'll be some other guys there, more well-known YouTubers that'll be out there floating around, be selling merch. Come and have a chat, take photos, have a look at our gear close up, bikes, cars, whatever that we may be there with. So yeah, and this was just a quick video, just a test ride to make sure that this, you know, the reconditioned radiator works pretty well, which so far, yeah, I can't see any leaks. So I should be all good to go that day, providing any other last minute surprises that may pop up. So yeah guys, that's it for me today. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe, leave some comments. I will link everything about the meetup in the description down below. So yeah guys, from my home, high above the world I guess, I'll see you next time.